Hi, I'm Tassin and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a hair pomade using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program and then click on the Body Balm build and then click Create. Firstly I'm going to select my lipids. I'm firstly going to select some argan oil because this is really nice on the hair. I'm also going to pick some grapeseed oil as this spreads really well and it's also used in hair care to give it a bit of a shine. And I'm also going to select a bit of hemp seed oil as well because this is good for hair. Next up is my consistency factor. Now to get the pomade consistency, we're going to pick some beeswax. And we're going to use this at 20%. At this input, it's going to give it the right texture and the right consistency. Next is my antioxidant. And I'm going to pick the mixed tocopherols. And lastly is my essential oil or fragrance. I'm going to pick a fragrance today, and I'm going to go with a almond and honey fragrance that we have on the shelf. And I do want this to smell really good, so I'm going to put it at 1%. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a hair pomade using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own pomade. Happy formulating!